So a drink that's become, I suppose, synonymous with Japanese bartending culture, but has really traveled around the world is the highball.
Highball, yeah. So we traditionally use the highball as a business drink. Our kidney is not as strong as much as yours. So we need to stir down a little bit.
Yeah, I feel very Japanese in this way because that's usually my balance of things as well. My go-to is a highball. And it's probably the drink that I've drunk the most, have probably made the most, but probably not with the refinement that has happened as the art of making a Japanese highball.
So
I would love to see.
Sure.
I mean, being taught to do this properly would be an honor.
So this size,
Yes.
being sit in the room temperature. This is from a freezer,
Yeah.
totally different.
Yeah. The clarity, the kind of hardness will be different as well.
If you see the detail, it's a little bumpy.
Yes.
So once you pour the soda, it's evacuate.
You're going to lose the carbonation and the magic.
Exactly. So it has to be, we call it room temperature ice.
Okay.
Cup of it. Beautiful cocoa bean. If you say highball, it's usually this.
Yeah.
Right? So stir down a little bit. And another very important part is how to pour soda.
Okay.
When you open the soda, the liquid comes don, right? It won't get speed. So try not to have it
Got you.
to when you pour. And fast as possible. So it's already mixed.
Yes.
You don't really need to stir. So if you stir a lot, it's evaporate
Yeah.
again. So it's just gently stir. As you can see, the soda never evaporate.
Yeah.
But once you sip, so lots of bubble inside.
It's magical. I mean, this is what it's about, right? It's hard. It's whiskey and soda. But it's the layers of complexity, the care, the evidence of that this is, perfectly balanced. This is a truly wonderful drink.
So it looks like no bubbles.
Yeah. And the way that the ice sits, the consideration over the glass itself, the way that it's kind of develops the flavors, and more people should celebrate blended whiskey. There's so much complexity gone into this, so much care. That first sip, you get the sparkle, you get all of that aromatic, but as you drink through it, you open up the layers of the whiskey. And it means that something as simple as whiskey and soda becomes as wonderful as any other cocktail or fine dish.
There is a signature sauce, lemon peel.
Okay.
So the slightly gives you lemon twist into it, and you see how different the refreshness as well.
That was so beautiful. I definitely do not have that elegance to be able to bring to the table. It's not the obviousness of the citrus peel, actually. It's the way that it kind of changes the creaminess of the whiskey, I think, that's really special. Pure magic. Yeah. Being able to understand the kind of true art of the highball from you has been really wonderful. And I'm very thankful. We've got to do a high five. Come on. Yes, in-bar high five.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.